Right, YouTube, welcome to another video. Just a little one. So the inevitable has finally happened on my nice, beautiful liquid wrapped FN2. Some kind of pterodactyl of a bird has done this huge shit on it. I swear it's about the size of my hand. It was probably only on there for an hour or so, but it's still just damaged the wrap. Well, damaged the gloss. So today's job is to try and fix it. So I've been advised to use a machine polisher to fix it, but I've got one, but I've never used it before, and I don't want the first time to be on my pride and joy. I was going to try it on the BMW, but I ended up selling it before I could give it a go. So what I'm going to try and do is just do a bit of hand polishing over it and hopefully try and fix it. I was so pissed off, you would not believe. I'm feeling a little bit better today. I'm not crying today. So yeah, let's go and give it a go, and hopefully I can fix it. So this is what I'm going to try and use. This in a brand new microfiber cloth. Right, so it's better with the polish. It's not quite perfect though. You can still see the mark slightly. So I'm just debating whether to use some compound. Right, there we are guys, just a little one. That's what she said. I wasn't going to film this, but I thought if it helps one other person out, then it's a good thing, isn't it? Because I was so depressed when I saw that giant bird shit had eaten through my the gloss on my liquid wrap. I was pretty distraught. I'm so good. I'm out there like 2 or 3 times a day checking for bird poo and cleaning it off. But this one just must have been so acidic, or whatever it is that attacks the gloss, because it must have done that in like an hour or so. So what did I do in the end? So I think I did about 3 or 4 goings over with the compound, the Meguiar's compound. Admittedly I did some polishing first, which I should have gone straight for the compound. So I probably did a few coats of a few goings over with the polish as well. And then that was Meguiar's polish as well. And then since I got it wrapped, I've been using I've been buying all the pH neutral chaos stuff. So the shampoo, the wax, the snow foam, which I already had actually, and the quick detailer. So after I'd done all that, I went over it with the pH neutral wax as well. And I know it's hard to see in the video because it's so bright out there, but it does look pretty good. Anyway, I'm waffling, so that's how I fix mine. Hopefully it'll help someone out who's just as distraught as me when they've gone out to look at their pride and joy. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.